Alright guys, that's the Mayflower pub. It's supposed to be one of the oldest and most popular pubs in London. And as you see that we got this beautiful views over the River Thames and lovely food as well. Here you see that the fusion component is coming in, that British cuisine is influenced very much by the food from all over the world. So it's a roasted butternut squash. It's filled with pie lentils, and what you see here is a spiced red pepper coulis. And we also have some chervil split all around. When I thought about the recipe, it's a brilliant idea to put all the things together. And I'm gonna try that, so I'm gonna open up this butternut squash. And you will see that these pie lentils are just popping up. And I'm gonna try a piece. I think that's the best way of trying it. So you got a tiny piece there. The pie lentils, butternut squash, and the coulis from the red pepper spiced up very well. And yeah, let's try it. They certainly put some curry spices in there. And the pie lentils and the squash and the red pepper just fits very well together. Kind of takes me back to my childhood when I was looking forward to festivals. Actually, not the festival itself, but the food that comes with it. And they used to serve this, vegetarian lentil spice dishes, and it's amazing. I really, really like it. Hi guys, our third day at London. We are experiencing the multicultural and cosmopolitan environment in the cuisine of London, and we ended up in this African restaurant today called Kata Kata. It was difficult to find out, but it seems to be a hidden gem in London. Gives you the real African taste. Let's check that out. Guys, this is amazing. We need to wait a while, but it was really worth it. And you see what we have here. It looks lovely. It's freshly done. You feel the warmth even coming up. It's in Cameronian style. This restaurant is run by Cameronian. So they try to infuse the Cameronian cuisine into British cuisine. So London style Cameronian food. So what we have here is the typical African Crêpe style, also French influenced. And you fill up vegetables, particularly goat cheese, and that they seem to do a lot with goat cheese. So what I have is veggie lovers. My favorite vegetable, aubergine, is in there, and Caroline has asparagus and spinach. So it's just all lovely, and a small bit of salad with beetroots and some herbs around and some spinach. It'll be amazing. Let me try that. I can't wait. Let's cut it up. Wow! I see the goat cheese already. So here you go. So you have the goat cheese there, you have the aubergine, and lovely, lovely. And a nice compliment, we have two amazingly done juices. So this is Refreshment booster, and this is Solutions to Tiredness. Both speaks for the name. Here we have apple, mint, and ginger. And here you have pumpkin seeds, beetroot certainly. Let's try that. I want to refresh myself first. Refreshing.
Since we liked the so-called galette so much, which is basically what Arvid just described, the nice crepe type filled with fresh vegetables and particularly goat cheese, which is the perfect combination. We liked them so much that we went for a nice crepe. as well. Crêpe most of you are familiar with, but this one is filled with seasonal strawberries and bananas and of course chocolate. A dream come true, I would say, for the strawberry and chocolate lover. The start here in the corner. You can see the strawberry looking out. I'll take some of the chocolate as well. Can't speak. Perfect. It's gluten free. I don't know if I have mentioned it, but often you think with gluten free you can't really enjoy the nice things of life, but not at all. It's perfect. I will continue.
Addition to our British culinary culture. Where we are is Shake Shack. Why are we here? Interesting question. So I need to take a few years back in 2015 when I was in New York. It was around the lunchtime. I was at the Brooklyn Bridge, and I was extremely hungry. And I looked around. What I found was Shake Shack. And I went in there. I just looked at the menu and randomly ordered a salted caramel milkshake. That was the best milkshake I have ever had in my life. Salted caramel milkshake. Note it down, guys. If you ever have a chance to go to Shake Shack, and it's lucky enough because I couldn't get it today. They said that is a very special flavor they have once a year or something. But what I got today is also very interesting. It's a salted vanilla toffee. So Shack is the burger. That's Shack burger, and that's the shake. So Shake and Shack, and I'm just gonna savor it. Burgers are also absolutely amazing. Let's stop talking. Let's just try that. Then you will understand. So alright guys, that's gonna be a fantastic end at London. London has this huge Indian subcontinental influence in it, in its cuisine particularly. And Bangladeshi cuisine is not away from it. So it's actually a most important part of it. There is a region in Bangladesh called Sylhet in the northeastern part that every family has someone in London working as a chef. And what we have discovered here in the Aldgate region in London, that is actually a small Bangladesh, and you'll see that even the restaurant names are written in Bangla. So that's the famous Haji Nanna biryani. The ones who are from Bangladesh are very familiar with it. But the ones who don't know it, that's one of the most famous biryani recipe in Bangladesh, created by Haji Nanna, and it's named after him. So we are in this area and we were exploring the Bangladeshi food and Bangladeshi restaurants, and let's see. Finally ended up in a Bangladeshi restaurant. It's called Baraka in Aldgate region, and of course it's run by the chef who comes from the Sylhet region, the northeastern part of Bangladesh. They have many local recipes. Actually, these recipes don't exist apart from the people who knows them, and it's kind of passed over generations. So what we ordered today is a mezban recipe. So what is a mezban? It's originated in the southeastern part of Bangladesh, in the city called Tiredness, the city where I was born. So when you accomplish something or you achieve something, like you got a baby, you got a promotion, you are celebrating your birthday, so what do? Make a feast, and people, local chefs, experts come and cook and share with people. So this gathering is called mezban. So that's the dish that's only cooked for this purpose, for this mezban purpose. That's why this dish is called mezban. It has many different spices. It has a certain twist in it. I don't know. As I said, these recipes are not known. They are not written, and they are not even cooked. Only cooked for a huge bunch of people, for your community when they gather to celebrate your accomplishment. So we had some plain rice from Bangladesh and garlic naan, also typically there. The second dish we ordered is a lamb shatkara. So shatkara is a fruit that grows in the Sylhet region, sort of sweet sour taste. So only in this part of the region, in the Sylhet region, they cook it with beef and lamb, and that's what I ordered. I have never tried that, but I heard many stories about it. That's really, really good. These are fantastic. I'm really, really excited. Isn't that amazing? So we ended up in London, found an area that's a little Bangladesh, and there were like these street markets that you get to see in Dhaka, in the Gulistan area. We ended up in a Bangladeshi restaurant and ordering food that even I haven't tried before. I'm gonna say goodbye from London. That was an absolutely fantastic journey. Culinary diversity we got to experience through this journey was just amazing. So fusion is the solution. So when you want to taste the best out of the food, what you need to bring in is the diversity. It's basically fusing different dishes from all parts of the world. That's the charm, and that's how we end the London culinary adventure, with several other cuisine that got its way through the fusion into British cuisine. See you at our next culinary adventure.